Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to clean your room fast and easy without feeling overwhelmed. Stick around, because I'll also share ways to make cleaning your room fun and a step-by-step plan to tackle even the messiest spaces. Let's get started. Step 1. Set a timer and play some music. Cleaning doesn't have to be boring. Start by setting a timer for 15-20 minutes. Then put on your favorite playlist or podcast to make the process enjoyable. This keeps you focused and turns a chore into a mini dance party. Step 2. Gather and sort. Grab a laundry basket or any large container. Quickly go around the room and collect all out-of-place items. Clothes, books, dishes, everything. Now, you're not running around aimlessly. You'll sort and return these items after the main cleaning. Step 3. Make your bed first. The best way to clean your bedroom starts with the bed. A made bed instantly makes your room look cleaner and gives you a clear workspace for sorting items. Trust me, it's a game changer. Step 4. Tackle surfaces. Grab a microfiber cloth and a multi-surface cleaner. Quickly wipe down your desk, nightstand, and shelves. This step is super satisfying and makes your room feel fresh in no time. Step 5. Clean the floors. If your floor is a battlefield of socks and wrappers, clear it first, then vacuum or sweep. A clean floor makes the whole room feel polished. This is the secret to how to clean your messy room fast. Step 6. Sort the collected items. Remember that basket from earlier? Now's the time to sort it. Put clothes in the laundry, return books to shelves, and take dishes to the kitchen. This is where your room goes from kind of clean to totally spotless. Step 7. Add personal touches. This is my favorite part. Add a small plant, a scented candle, or some fairy lights to make your room cozy and inviting. Now you've not only cleaned, but also upgraded your space. And there you have it! That's how to properly clean your room in just a few simple steps. Cleaning doesn't have to be stressful. Just follow these tips and you'll be done in no time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more easy and fun cleaning tips. Let me know in the comments, what's your go-to trick for a quick cleanup? Thanks for watching and happy cleaning!